Guys, welcome back to a video with Tony's phone collection. Today we're going to be doing a couple unboxings of some phones I picked up on eBay. There's two packages. They're from the same seller though. There's just a lot of phones, so I'm guessing I'm going to put them in separate packages. Here's the first one. So we have an iPod Touch, 4th generation, with a cracked LCD. And I bought this to purely drop test because it's not worth fixing to me. It does have a white display on it though, which looks pretty cool. But other than that, I'll clean this up, probably polish it out a little bit before we drop test so we can get kind of an accurate drop test. Everything looks to be in really good shape. It is an 8 gig model. We have two Nokia, let's see, 5310B. Looks like one has a damaged LCD possibly. The other one looks to be somewhat more complete. Looks like they're on Vieira wireless. Both are missing batteries. Here is a UT Starcom, I'm guessing. CDM 7075 on Verizon. It indeed does have a battery with it. It appears to be dead. Looks to be in overall decent shape, I would say. There is a Motorola, I think this is a Droid Razr M if I remember right. And again, I also bought this one to drop test as well, because I already have one of these. I think, well, the AMOLED panel looks good too. There's that. Also bought this to drop test. That looks to be dead. I think this is the Continuum, I think is what it is. SCHI 400. I'll probably take this back off and swap with the one I have, to be honest, because it's probably in better shape. No SD card. So that seems to be dead as well. Casio, let's see which one. It does have a battery in it. If this one doesn't work, I'll probably drop test. If it does work, I plan on keeping it. C771. So hopefully it works. I can fix it. But if not, she'll be a drop test victim as well. The LCD looks to be good. So I'm going to find the power key here. Looks to be hidden down here in the corner. It might just be dead though. And then an HTC MP6900. Missing a battery, back cover. Does have the stylus though. So there's those ones right there for you. We'll kind of line those out over here on this piece of wood. I use this wood for when I'm painting stuff, so that explains why it's all painted and stuff. Here's another next package. That's pretty much already looks like it's opened. Alright, starting out, we have a Altel Kyocera KX440. Right there. Missing a battery, back cover, and the antenna looks to be broken. Other than that, looks to be in decent shape. A Sanyo on Quest with the extended battery pack. Katana 2. I'm not really a big fan of these extended batteries though, but looks to be in good shape as well. Another Samsung Galaxy S Continuum, which is the SCHI 440, I think it was. It seems to be dead as well. Trying to buy some more phones so we can possibly do drop tests and stuff on them. This is the V120C, I think. V120E on Alltel. Of course, I bought it because I don't have one of these on Alltel, so I'm going to pick this one up. Looks to be dead, but I see it on Alltel, really good shape it looks like. Another Alltel device I don't have. LG C330W. I got a little flip out keypad kind of thing going on. Looks to be an average shape, a little bit of the silver is peeling, but nothing too bad to be honest. All the plastic, minus the battery, I guess that looks a little broken right there in the corner, but looks pretty average to be honest. Here's a Alltel phone, I'm pretty sure it was. V265. Whoops. Cover back on it. Of course I missed it. There we go. And that's on Alltel, what I thought. Looks to be dead as well. Here is a Nokia I do not have. So this is new to the collection. Nokia 6315, I think is what it is. Yep, 6315i. So I get to focus. There you go. And I am recording this with the new S22 Ultra I got. So this one seems to be dead as well. Proprietary Nokia charger it looks like. Here's another phone I've been wanting to get for a while. Samsung SGH i760. It's a Windows mobile device. Looks like the screen might be broken. See the impact right there or some kind of cut. Looks to be dead, but it is a slider phone. So it's pretty different. I want to get one of these as well. SGH T229. No battery. It is a T-Mobile phone. They had a black one and a red one that they carried this one in, and I think I like the black one a little bit better. BlackBerry Pearl Flip. I think this one is on Alltel as well. That was on T-Mobile. So it's going to be the 83 or 8230. Right there. Missing a battery, back cover, screen's pretty worn in. Keyboard looks to be in good shape though. Another MP6900. Like I said, it's supposed to be on Alltel. No battery, no back cover. Probably do a drop test on one of them if I don't need parts from the other. Got a broken antenna on this Motorola on Alltel. Oh man, the model on this one's Y2260. Right there. Obviously no battery, so it's not going to turn on. And then a HTC, well, let's see here, PB81120, I think is the model on that. I'll let you guys look at it and see if you can see it right there in the corner. Let me just focus this on here. Right there. So yeah, there it is. It's a Windows mobile device. It's on T-Mobile, no battery, no back cover. If there's a screen bad or something, it's another drop test phone, so nothing too important with that. But there's all the phones from this unboxing. I'll set these all out so you can see them. I think my camera does white screen. No, not really. I'm on it. But there you go, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video, and stay tuned for the next one.